the bird, how she see?
I think sick, no?
I think, yeah.
You see?
If she doesn't sick, she's gonna fly.
Mm.
there.
Don't bite Mimi, okay?
My cat, we have two cats, one fluffy, one teeth.
Really?
Mashallah, he's big. Nobody can take him.
This before baby is small. They, I don't know, they catch from somewhere. After that, they bring here. They took the security. They took shower,
Is it?
make shower for her. After that, they
Give food,
they
give breakfast,
yeah.
and then become big.
And then now big. You see, she is fat. And when they are playing together. Don't bite Mimi,
I think
okay?
they're playing tag.
Yeah, they are playing. She will not bite. Don't bite Mimi, okay? Haram.
But,
Friend.
يعني impossible. How she play with the هذا?
You know, Allah is.
Sorry,
Hmm.
You know, Layla, the cat is eating the bird.
But this one now, she's playing with the bird.
Yes, subhanallah.
So many times I saw. There is also two birds. No, no, Mimi, okay? Don't bite Haram. Don't bite baby.
It's not wrong.
Don't bite Mimi, okay?
He said,
He's playing with you.
he said,